Welcome to a very special Sonia show. I'm here in White Sands, Petria's most luxurious community, where in the upcoming days, President Tyrak is set to make a big announcement from Presidential Park. Will it be to announce his candidacy for the upcoming election? And will the Black Brigades, the same terrorist group responsible for the attack at the wall in '86, try to interfere? Cowards. You'll just have to tune in here to GNN to find out. What's that? Oh my! I've just received word that a large sandstorm is set to hit White Sands in only a few days as well. If you recall, the last sandstorm to hit White Sands, Sandstorm Colton, caused extensive damage. But don't worry. Authorities have confirmed all precautions will be taken to assure nothing like that occurs again. White Sands. What a truly wonderful place to live. And I would know. Like President Tyrak himself, I'm a resident too. And that has been your Sonia show.
Total BS. Didn't we say you were gonna stop playing that thing?
Oops. Guess I forgot. Sorry.
Yeah, and pre-White Sands, you know? Seriously crazy all that's happened in 2 years. Aya, I mean, she was my best friend, Z. Before you, anyway. All the drilling, the pollution, it took her so quick, man. I barely had the chance to say goodbye. She's never coming back, you know? Never again. She's gone. Effing cancer, effing Petrian oil. Anyway, thanks for listening. I forgive you for blasting my eardrums. Yeah, I guess we all got our demons, huh? Sorry, but maybe you should. See, you were at the wall in '86. You saw all that go down. So messed up. You need to talk to somebody before all that eats you up inside. I'm telling you, Z.
Attention citizens, works are ongoing in the residence.
Hey, sounds like they're setting up the park stage. Probably for something lame like a Little Tyrax concert. Yeah, right. You can't fool me, Z. Probably got their posters somewhere in your room. Weren't you gonna go to a concert of theirs once with your dad? That sucks. But he is a busy man. I mean, he's the Minister of Oil. Look, I gotta go. I'm supposed to meet my mom at the square. See you later, Z.
Later, Kay. Say hi to your mom.
Will do. Oh, and check out the tape I left you.
Sure, man. Catch you later.
Well, listeners, it appears our beloved president will make an announcement in the upcoming days. Will it have something to do with the upcoming election? You'll just have to tune in to see.
You're listening to 191.9, the voice of the brigades. This is R. I'm filling in for Papa Baby. We're rooting for Senator Flores, of course. But what hope does she really have in a system as corrupt as ours? No, what we need to do is think outside the box. What we need is a revolution. Only you can make that happen.
Petria's strange bank robbing duo has struck again, this time at an arcade. If you see two individuals who appear to be into S&M role-playing, please keep your distance.
Everything okay, young blood?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Look, it won't be much longer now. We're close to getting the codes. Just remember the deal. Robert's counting on you.
Who was that, Kaido? What are you hiding from me?
Reminder, don't forget to ask for your copy of today's Patreon Time. You can find them at the newsstand in Tyrek Square. All workers are to begin lunch preparation for the residents. Thank you.
Tyrek Square, where the workers live, like Kaido's parents.
Maybe you could fill in for Kaito, Mrs. Lin.
My shift's about to start.
Now, are you raising your voice? Madam Zoe, what a pleasant surprise. Kaito is apparently ill and can't deliver my papers. Convenient, right? I don't know. You just never can rely on these people.
There must be a solution, Mrs. Danton.
You? Oh, heavens, no! This type of work is beneath you.
That's very kind of you.
Are you sure? This is like a job.
Bye, Madame Zoe.
Well, here are the papers. Good luck, Madame Zoe.
Madam Zoe, hi! Madam Zoe delivering papers? Madam Zoe has papers! Run! How's the minister doing?
No need. I have a paper already.
Madam Zoe!
John says they almost have the code.
Oh, you're done. Thank you, Madame Zoe. I was just talking to Mr. Lin. Of course. Kaito? No. Why do you ask? Well, I should get back to it. Oh, if you'd like, you can check in on Kaito. I'm sure he'd feel better if he saw you. Thank you. You know where we live, right? Just down the steps there. It's one of the basement apartments. Bye, Madame Zoe.
All workers are to begin lunch
Madam
preparations for
Zoe?
residents.
Can I help
Thank
you?
you.
The Lins? Oh, I wouldn't get mixed up with them, Madame Zoe. I've heard things. You could get into trouble. Listen, all I say is you'll want to be careful around them. The boy, too. Whoa. Do you do that a lot?
Z? Come in. Hi, Z. Yeah, real nice. So, what are you doing here? What? How did it go? Ha! Yeah, right. Zoe Muller delivering newspapers. It's just too funny. I would have paid to see that. Dude. Yeah, well, that's because I'm not. I lied, okay? You've never lied before? I just couldn't deliver the papers. Not today. Look, you want to sit down? You're making me kind of nervous. Look, it's just... Did you see today's paper? Tyrak celebrated in Colton City. It's total BS, Z. Z, the people in Colton City, they don't like Tyrak. In fact, they really, really don't like Tyrak. Z, I'm from Colton City. You know that, right? Yeah, I mean, this story also describes Colton City as like a paradise. Z, it's not like that at all. There's poverty and suffering, and it's just kind of falling apart. That's why Aya died. The pollution there gave her cancer. No. Anyway, that's why I couldn't deliver the papers. Seeing his photo and those words, it just made me so angry, Z. Still not all the way convinced, are you? Well, then I guess I'll just have to show you. Come on, Z. I know you're not a little kid anymore, but just close your eyes. You'll see, you'll see.
Is Colton City really the place Kaido says it is? I mean, Petria isn't perfect, sure, but look at this place.
I'm telling you. Look! Now do you believe me?
What's with all the TVs?
GNN is government run. Let's go! come on, Z. Open your eyes.
I'm still torn. Maybe he's right.
Attention! Due to the impending sandstorm, all workers must assist in storm preparation. Failure to do so will result in a strike. Thank you.
I guess. I wish you saw things my way, you know. But I can't force you. Oh, I'm making something. Just a ramp for us to do tricks. And this is my problem because my dad says only boring people get bored. This is true. What do we normally do when we get bored? Yeah, but we can't do that. Not all the time. I know. Truth or dare. Surprisingly, I do. I don't know what that says about me. You go first, Z. Truth or, you know. Whoa, the truth. I like it, Z. What's like, you know, your biggest dream? Again, you said you were bored, not me. No doubt. Kaito and Zoe on the open road, raising hell. I can't wait. All we gotta do is get a pass. Somehow. Dare. Watch and learn. Let me just... Okay, good to go. Vote for Senator Flores! Stop yelling, kid! But maybe I will! Thanks! Satisfied? Dude, no idea. Okay, your turn. Okay, let's see. Got it. Have you ever wanted us to be more than friends? Really? I mean, we could give it a shot, if you want it. What am I saying? That'd just be too... I was gonna say gross, actually. Think I'll go with the truth this time. What? You saw that? That was... a family friend from Colton City. he doesn't have a resident card. We could get into trouble. Just to give my parents and I some info about our family and friends. And he gave us some money, too. Z, I'm poor. That's why I have, like, the only basement apartment in White Sands. Dude, you live between Tyrak and Sonia Sanchez. It's absurd. Yeah, man. Now, come on. It's your turn. Truth or dare? Okay. Let's see what this wicked imagination can drum up. I got it. I dare you to jump into the dumpster from here. Wait, I forgot about those old sandwiches in there. Sorry, this was a terrible idea. Actually, I gotta go. Sorry, yeah, I have a few things to do before tonight. For my folks. Look, we'll meet up later, alright?
The first day I met you, you were so sweet, and meeting you was like a dream come true. You swept me off my feet,